Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to see the review of Dermdoc Skin Hydrating Night Cream with Hyaluronic Acid. So we get 50-gram product for 225 rupees. I bought it from purple.com. It's not that easily available offline, but online you can find it in Purple. I think it's even available in Amazon. So yeah, only these two platforms, but it's not available in other things easily. So you have to be careful with that. So now without any further ado, let's get into the review of this product. So let's get into the packaging and also description of this product. So first we get the product in a white color outer cardboard packaging along with green and blue color designs. So on one side of this we have product description, like it is formulated with hyaluronic acid to hydrate the skin, and it helps in retaining skin's moisture content. And as we have hyaluronic acid, it rejuvenates the skin, giving it a softer, smoother and youthful glow. So this is a night cream, so it's free from parabens, sulfates and mineral oils, and also it is cruelty free. So it is suitable for normal to dry skin, but I have oily skin and I'm using it on myself and it's okay. It's actually okay for the oily skin. If you have even if you have normal skin, it's fine, but if you have too much dry skin, then I think it's not the best product for you. So coming to the benefits of this product, guys, it hydrates and nourishes the skin, which is okay. It's fine for normal to oily skin, and then helps retain moisture. Yes, of course it has hyaluronic acid, so it obviously will help in retaining the moisture, and then it helps rejuvenating skin cells, and then gives skin a soft and youthful look. So that these are the benefits of this product. And now direction. So once you clean your face, apply it evenly on your face and massage it in upward direction until it gets absorbed by your skin. So that is these are the directions. And before using this product for the first time, do a patch test, because it's a chemical product. It has acids in it, like it has hyaluronic acid, so I think it's better to do a patch test, and then you can apply it completely. If you have any irritation or rashes appearing on your skin after using this product, then I think it's best to discontinue the usage. So they have given ingredient list, which is not the complete ingredient list, and they even did not provide the amount of hyaluronic acid that is present inside this night cream. Like, I need the percentage, so it's not present on this packaging, or even in online I searched for the percentage of hyaluronic acid that is used in this product, but no, I didn't find it anywhere. So when we open, we are going to get this product in a normal tub packaging, which is completely dark. So I think these kind of packagings are really great when compared with transparent packages. So on top we have this glossy silver screw cap, and when we open it we have a partition, and when we open that partition we have this cream, which is white in color. And the smell, when you apply it, it remains on your skin for good 5 minutes, and after that it will just evaporate. So yeah, this is a product description and how it is. And it's thick, guys. The cream is thick. When you apply it, you have to massage at least for 1 minute so that it gets absorbed into your skin. So it's not like too light, or it just don't get absorbed into your skin that easily. You have to massage it really well. So now let's get into the pros and cons of this product. So number one is coming to the details, I have mentioned it really well on the packaging. So that is what I liked about this one. Even they mentioned all the things, like all the information, even on the inner packaging as well. So that is pro number one. And pro number two is it has hyaluronic acid in it. So if you have dry skin, then it's really good for you. Generally hyaluronic acid is really great. So that is the reason why I bought this one, because I'm obsessed with hyaluronic acid. I'm actually obsessed with this acidic skincare and everything. So that is pro number two. And pro number three is it's paraben free. Fourth pro is it's sulfate free. Fifth pro is it's cruelty free, and it's even mineral oil free. And sixth pro is it makes your skin really softer. So that is sixth pro. And seventh pro is it's the smell. It stays on your skin for 5 minutes, but then it fades away, so it's actually good. And seventh pro is it's actually thick, and the cream is really thick, so you have to massage it. So if you have really normal dry skin is okay, but if you have extremely dry skin, then I think it's not the right product for you, or else you have to apply some other product with this one to get that complete moisturization to your skin. So yeah, if you have oily skin, it actually suits you. Even for your oily skin, it's good, but I think it's better to do patch test, and I think it's better to see for yourself. For me, even if I have oily skin, like in summers I have complete oily skin, but even then this product is really good. I even apply another gel from the same company on top of this one, this cream, to make my skin moisturized really well. So that is how it is. So now let's go into the cons. Con number one is it's not hygienic packaging, because you have to dip your fingers every time you want to use this product, and it's really not hygienic. And second con is if you have sensitive noses, then I think the product smell is not that strong. I mean, it's strong but not that chemically. So if you have sensitive nose, you really have to be careful of this one. But for normal noses, it's okay. But sensitive nose, be careful with that. So that is second con, and third con is it's not that easily available online as well as offline. So that is third con, and fourth con is if you have extremely dry skin. Dry skin is fine, but if you have extremely dry skin, then you have to apply something other from this range. It's this Dermdoc has a lot of range products. Like I am using collagen gel after using this one. First I apply hyaluronic serum on my face, and then I apply this one, and then I apply collagen gel, which finishes my nighttime skincare routine. So even you can do the same thing. You can apply something else with this one, but this alone is not sufficient for hydrating your dry skin. So that is the fourth con. So if you have extremely dry skin, this is not the product for you, because it's not that hydrating on the skin. So yes, that's all for today's video. These are the pros and cons. You can decide whether to buy this product or not. I bought it once. I'm not gonna buy this again, because I really don't know the percentage of hyaluronic acid they used in this product, because I just want to know what I'm using on my face. But with this product, I really can't know what I'm applying on my face, like how much amount of acid I'm applying on my face, which is a big con according to me. So I'm not gonna buy this again. But overall, it's a good one. Like it's sulfate free, cruelty free, paraben free, so it's really great one. You can give it a try, and if it sets for you, then I think it's a great thing. So yes, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video, Sunshine. See you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.